Mix dish soap with toothpaste and pour it into the toilet. You'll get rid of dirt and unpleasant odor. It's a trick to remove exceptionally unpleasant stains in the bathroom. With this homemade method, you'll eliminate all the mess and odor. Sometimes various food remnants are poured into the toilet, which cannot be thrown into the trash bag. Sometimes the toilet gets dirty when you have food poisoning. It doesn't look good then. The smell can also be unpleasant. That's when homemade liquid comes to the rescue. It will clean the toilet and, above all, leave a pleasant smell immediately. You can also clean the sink or a dirty shower with it. They will be clean, shiny, and will smell nice. Pour a small cup of floor cleaner into the dish. Most of these liquids can also be used for cleaning other surfaces. Add a cup of baking soda to it. Baking soda cleans and absorbs bad odors. Pour a cup of dishwashing liquid. It removes many stains, including greasy ones. It foams perfectly. Also, add a tablespoon of toothpaste. It disinfects and smells intensely and pleasantly. Finally, pour a cup of plain water. Mix everything together. You can clean the bathroom with this liquid. Just pour it into the toilet and clean it as usual. It will remove even greasy dirt. The unpleasant smell will disappear immediately. After flushing with water, it will be like new. You can also use this liquid to clean an exceptionally dirty sink. The stains will disappear, and it will be shiny, white, and fragrant. You can also clean tiles and grout under the shower in the same way. There is always the most dirt in the corner by the drain. You will easily remove it. With this amount of liquid, you can clean the entire bathroom. This is how you remove all dirt from your shower cabin. This powder works like magic dust to clean limescale and buildup. Don't use chemical cleaners when homemade methods work best. First, spread regular baking soda over the glass doors. Then take a lemon cut in half. Add some extra baking soda onto the lemon. Rub the glass with the lemon where there is dirt and buildup. Lemon dissolves limescale. Baking soda removes dirt and acts as a gentle abrasive. It will gently break down and remove the buildup. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Then wipe the glass with a cloth soaked in warm water. Remove part of the mixture with the cloth. To leave the glass sparkling clean, use a simple dustpan. Thanks to its rubber edge, it works like a squeegee. Just wipe away the excess, and your glass cabin will be cleaner than ever before. Stick it onto your bathroom tiles. You'll never see limescale on them again. And the mold and the grout? Gone. All without using harsh chemicals. This trick completely changed my bathroom cleaning routine. All you need to do is spray the tiles. The rest is done by a special kind of paper. Just press it onto the tiles and leave it for a few minutes. To prepare it, you only need a few ingredients that you definitely have at home. You'll never waste money on expensive cleaners again. Grab a spray bottle. Take one of these little packets. It's citric acid. Pour the entire packet of citric acid into the bottle. Add water. Close the bottle and give it a good shake. The citric acid needs to dissolve completely. Spray the mixture generously all over the tiles where the problem is. Stick toilet paper onto the tiles. On the wall by the shower or lower down above the shower tray. Because you sprayed the tiles first, the paper will stick easily. For even better results, spray the paper too. Make sure it's fully soaked. After 20 to 30 minutes, peel the paper off the tiles. It will come off effortlessly. Rinse the tiles thoroughly. Just look at the result. They shine beautifully. With no trace of limescale, citric acid dissolves it perfectly. And on top of that, it smells fresh. Pour half a cup into the shower head, and all the built-up dirt will flow out. Limescale on the shower head is a problem that appears in most homes. It not only looks unsightly, but also reduces the water flow, making showers less comfortable. Hard water leaves a white deposit that builds up both outside and inside the shower head. You don't need to reach for expensive cleaners. Home remedies are effective, inexpensive, and eco-friendly. If you notice the water stream getting weaker, unscrew the shower head and pour about half a cup of vinegar inside. Close it and leave it for a few hours. The vinegar will dissolve the limescale, disinfect, and remove bacteria. Then run a strong stream of water to restore full flow. If you don't want to remove the shower head, prepare a plastic bag with a 1-to-1 mixture of water and vinegar. Submerge the shower head, and tie it securely. After a few hours, simply scrub the surface clean. Regular cleaning will keep your shower head in great condition and make showers enjoyable again. This is the best and easiest way to clean your windows. I guarantee you'll always clean them this way from now on. Your windows will shine like never before, and you won't need to climb a ladder anymore. Let me show you the best way to clean exterior windows. Grab a bucket and a mop, the same one you use for your floors. We'll prepare the cleaning solution in the bucket. Pour about a liter of warm water into it. Make sure it's not boiling or too hot. Next, add 2 cups of vinegar. Vinegar has disinfecting and cleaning properties, removes bacteria, and leaves no streaks. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix everything well. Soak the mop in the solution, just like you do when cleaning floors. Squeeze out the excess water and start washing the windows. They will be perfectly clean. If there's any excess water left, take a microfiber cloth and secure it to the mop handle with rubber bands. Use it to wipe away any remaining moisture. You'll see your windows shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also incredibly effective. Do you leave your window blind halfway down? You're making a big mistake. A half-lowered exterior blind in summer can actually be dangerous. Most people have no idea. Window and blind manufacturers don't mention this. During sunny months, blinds need to be used the right way. It's important that the blind is either fully open or fully closed. If you leave it halfway, like it is now, you might end up needing to replace your window pane in the summer. Why? When the sun shines directly on the glass, there's a huge temperature difference between the top and bottom parts of the pane. Unfortunately, that causes problems. The glass can become damaged and crack. It's just basic physics. And unfortunately, those kinds of cracks aren't covered by any warranty. No one will reimburse you for the cost of replacing the glass if the damage is caused by a half-lowered blind. So don't make this mistake again, and make sure to use your blinds correctly during the summer. You'll never have to wipe dust off your windowsill every day again. This simple homemade mixture will make it shine and stay clean for a long time. Dust and dirt often settle on windowsills, but here's how to fix it. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda works as a natural cleaner. It degreases, gently scrubs away dirt, and neutralizes odors. The next ingredient is something you surely have in your kitchen: dish soap. Add 1 teaspoon. It dissolves grease, grime, and dust, leaving the surface clean for longer. Now for natural shine and freshness. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze about 3 tablespoons of juice into the bowl. Lemon is antibacterial, removes limescale and residue, and leaves a beautiful shine. Mix everything well until you get a thick paste. Apply it to the dirty windowsill and rub it into every corner. This paste also works great on window frames, which often collect dust and turn dull. Finally, wipe the surface with a damp cloth. Your windowsills and frames will be shiny, fresh, and protected from dust for weeks. A natural, effective solution that costs almost nothing.